Hi guys, this is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do 3D flowers using Polygel. I'm pretty sure that the result will like you. I just took off the surface shine buffing my tip, and this is the gel I'll be using. It has glitter and flakes on it. You can use any glitter gel, and I am applying it all over my nail. The color doesn't really matter. Just use one that you like it, and it will be okay. And actually, I don't want this coat to be too transparent. I want it to be more thicker. That's why I'm applying more gel on my nail. When you like how the nail looks, then turn your LED lamp. And this is a mix that I'm gonna do. I'm using a kind of neon pink color, a cover pink, and a clear base. And I'm doing this mixture because I want to do something like a gel overlay. You can also use a rubber base, but I'm not using it because I don't have one right now. And this is how it looks like in the end. Then I'm applying a tiny layer of this mixture on my nail, but this is not the effect I want. So after this tiny layer and before curing, then I'm going to apply more product. I just told you that I'm going to create an overlay, so just keep watching and you will understand what effect I want to achieve. As you can see, the product concentrates on the middle, and on sides, the product or the glitter, it's transparent. This is what I wanted to achieve, and I cured, and this is how it looks like after curing. You can see that there is difference, and then I'm going to apply a top coat. You can use a wipe or non-wipe top coat, it's up to you. Then you cure in a LED lamp for 30 or 60 seconds. For my 3D flowers, I'll be using this white polygel, and I'll take a bit of it and place it on my nail. It's important that don't be too much product because I don't want to really to do 3D flowers, but to the flowers, they won't be too thick, be tiny flowers. So let's call it a 2D flowers design. And all you're going to do is to mold your petals, and when you're sure that the shape of them are like you want them, then freeze cure at least for 3 seconds so you can be sure that the product won't move on your nail and it will stay in the place and the shape that you want. Just keep watching to see the form or the shape of the petals that I did, but you can use any petal shape. It's up to you. Also, about the color of the polygel, you can use any color. The thing is that the color of the polygel contrasts with the color of the background. As you can see, I have as background and neon pink, something like that, and it contrasts with the white color of my flowers. So the color doesn't matter, just contrasting between the petals and the background. I like the way the flowers looks like right now, so I stopped and cured in OLED for 60 seconds. Then I am taking off the sticky layer that remains on the petals after curing. Then I'm gonna use this liner and gel paint, and I'm going to use them to draw arabesques. Maybe some of you know how to do them, but it's like lines that you're going to draw, and then you can give them the shape that you want. Just keep watching and you'll understand what I mean with arabesques. And you can do this, you can skip this step, and if you decide to do them, you can use your imagination to create it. Or you can also inspire with what I'm doing and take ideas from my work. It's up to you. While doing this, I strongly recommend you to use gel paint or any gel that has a thick consistency, because if you're using one that has a tiny consistency, then it won't be so easy for you to do it, because first the color will look like kind of transparent, and also the lines will move and will spread on your nail, and you don't want to do that. And if you're using a non too thick or even a thick consistency gel, I recommend you to cure between the drawing of any line, so then it won't spread. Even if it sticks, sometimes it can happen. So keep watching and you will see the final result. I liked how my nail looks like, so I cured in my little lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm using this clear gel. You can use any gel, it's important that it be transparent, but you can also use one that is not. And I'm going to, with my liner, place it on the center of my flower, and then add the caviar that I just showed you. Then I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and took off the sticky layer, and look at these beautiful designs. I loved them. I hope you recreate my design, and also if you want me to show you some specific design, just tell me in the comments. Thank you guys for watching my video, giving it likes and sharing it with your friends, and also for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.